हम आ गए हैं नवाबों की नगरी लखनऊ में, और आज हम लखनऊ की वो सारी डिशेस ट्राई करने वाले हैं जिनके बारे में हम कब से सुनते आ रहे हैं। ऐसे ही हमने सारी जगह को रैंक देने की कोशिश की है, पर ये आप पे डिपेंड करता है कि आपको क्या ज़्यादा पसंद है। चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं नंबर 5 से। नंबर 5 पर वी हैव प्रकाश की मशहूर कुल्फ़ी, एंड एज द नेम सजेस्ट्स इट इज़ प्रिटी मशहूर. And as you can tell from the video, I was very excited to taste that kulfi, but fast forward to the review.
Okay, it's not very different from Delhi में मिलने वाली कुल्फी, but if you're in Lucknow, you might as well come here and try something, but it's not very different.
On 4th place we have Shri Lassi, and I was not expecting much after having that kulfi, but
Shri Lassi is our second stop in Lucknow, and we are here for the famous lassi. So let's see. We got this lassi for 50 rupees, and let's try this. This is nice. Very good.
On number 3 we have Tunde Kababi, and the only reason why I have included this dish in my list without even trying it is because it's very popular, and it seemed somehow unfair to not include this delicacy that Lucknow is famous for. So here it is. Number 2 we have Idris ki biryani, and I was impressed by the prices. It is super affordable, and as for the taste, every grain of this biryani lives up to the hype. It is the most amazing thing that I have ever tasted in my life. It was very delicious. The only thing I didn't like was the place.
Biryani, and it was very nice. The place is not very clean, so if you are worried about hygiene and a clean, do not come to this place. But if you're looking to explore the streets of Lucknow, if you're looking for the street food, this is one place that you should not miss. The best biryani of my life.
At number 1 we have Sharma Ji ki chai. If you know me, you already know number 1 place had to be a chai place. The prices were affordable too. You get 1 cup of tea for about 15 rupees. You get your tea in cute kulhad cups, and बैठने के लिए भी वहाँ पर जगह है. And overall I think this is a nice place if you want to hang out with your friends. There are other places like Jain Chaat Bhandar, Rahim ki Nihari, and Pandit Raja ki mashhoor Thandai, which I have not included in my list. But if you are a foodie and if you are in Lucknow, you might want to explore these places too. So this was my list of top 5 places in Lucknow to eat, and I'm sure I might have missed out on some of the amazing places, and if I have, please feel free to comment below so the other people who are watching this video know about these places. Thank you. Comment, share and subscribe.